Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Guernsey County in northeast Illinois, Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern Will County in northeast Illinois, southern Lake County in northwest Indiana, northwestern Newton County in northwest Indiana, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of intensifying strong to severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and locally damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 5 miles northwest of Conrad to 7 miles southeast of Gardner and moving northeast to 10 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Village at moments around 7:20 p.m. Bourbonnais around 7:25 p.m. Wilmington and Lakewood Shores around 7:30 p.m. Grant Park around 8:05 p.m. Lowell, Lake Delacarlia, Peatone and Beecher around 8:15 p.m. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.